How's it going, guys? SHADOWOLFXD here again with another video with Wolf Studios. That's my new YouTube name. Don't ask. So we are officially in season 7. So yeah. Oh gosh, cheaters like heck. There are people who buy their pass because it's physically impossible to get the Royal Pass that high right now.
Where you want to jump? Constant dome. So we're gonna jump here. Cosmic drone. What? Alright. You said it's 10:15.
Alright, so also if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and also give a like if you like the videos, and please comment below and tell me how you thought, or what you thought about this video. What the heck are you doing? Alright, thanks guys. Oh, that, no, that's messed up.
Look at you. Are you on top of that?
Will someone pick me up if I jump?
Yeah, I will. Give me 1 second.
Excellent work.
Alright, yeah, jump. I'm coming.
Yeah, I got you. Wait, hold up. Don't jump yet.
Don't jump yet.
No, I got her. I need to get more revives anyways.
Wait, I need to see
Yo,
where
what
she's
the
at.
heck? No, wait a second, wait a second.
Where is she?
Well, never mind.
No, I'm gonna see it.
Alright, here. Jump down to me. And I will catch you.
I got
That's
him.
crazy. Then how did she get all the way up
Jump
there?
straight down.
Excellent
Jump
work.
straight down.
What?
Kinsey, he got you.
3, 2, come on.
I want that G36C.
Oh!
Dang.
Yo, what the heck? You're supposed to jump to me down here.
She went all the way down.
Got it by long.
He literally jumped straight away.
And I said jump to me, and she says, "Pew."
She said, "Don't forget that." He like he just literally just disappeared.
And I was like, yo, wait, what? I was watching her come down, and then she just disappeared.
That's your put it take on my screen. That shit went bye-bye. Maybe I should take my UMP. Come back.
Oh, wait, do you want it? I have 2 now. There you go.
Ah, that's your favorite gun. Remember, keep it.
Hey, Gig, I put a 4-time scope on my UMP. It's over.
If I get a flare gun, it's over. I will legit almost drop all my stuff for a flare gun, except for, not really, I would. But, in the off chance that I might find a flare gun.
So I take it you're not streaming since we can hear you, right?
What? You can hear me? Really? Wait, you can hear me? No, there's no way.
Do I want a 1v1 you in a room? No. No, I have not.
Can you hear me?
Not anymore.
Okay, I've been...
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Really? I'm recording. Oh gosh, okay, apparently, like, occasionally,
If y'all find a sniper, let me know, because I'm really
stuff will get whack and then they will
I
be able
got
to
you.
hear me, so, yeah. Yeah, so, occasionally they can hear little clippets of me talking, so, I don't know why, but it does that. It's really odd. Yeah, I should jump and see what the reaction is.
You know, there used to be one of the trees that gave you stuff in the bottom of the lobby.
What? gotta work.
Scorpion is the new pistol. It's not really the best pistol,
I gotta get up and currently like
but
6
it's
hours
the pistol.
I got supplies.
or 7.
I just need to find me a helmet.
Ooh, oh, I'm switching to a Vector. Nope, I'm unstoppable with a Vector.
I've never seen a zone like this before.
Really? You haven't seen a zone like this before? Okay, that's odd. Ooh, I need a stock. Dang it. Forgot to get a stock. Okay. And one more. It was at that moment they knew.
Yeah, there's 54
They-
people left and I ain't even got a kill yet.
That's tough.
I'm a little upset.
I just got my first kill. Got your kill now? Think
Yeah,
Shadow down here.
I got one of the 10 I need.
You said I get first look.
Like, did he
First
find
look
the
at what?
I shot a flare.
Oh yeah, he got a player. Yo, I'm
Um,
Oh, I was just about to be really funny and say, what are you assuming a gender?
75, 70, like 70.
120 to run.
Just gotta wait here.
All I ask is
Enemies
for that.
ahead.
I'm really
Oh.
good at sniper.
I don't like snipers. I'm not good with snipers.
I'm like so amazing with snipers, not even funny.
I'm good with the AR and SMGs. That's it. We got another flare shot at 125, and there's one at 145 and 125. 2 flares.
Kenzie, no!
Why did Kenzie take his stuff? Kenzie's supposed to get it first. Give his helmet back, Kenzie. And you're stuck.
Please let me have the sniper. What sniper?
I thought she got stuck for a second.
You've got to be kidding me. I'm pissed.
Where'd the back go?
What?
I wanted a
Form
sniper.
up on me.
Oh crap!
Fabiano.
Nice kill, nice kill. I'm gonna head into this little bitty city over
Form
here.
up on me.
I'm going to my location.
No, you go away. You stole my stuff.
Yo. Thank you. Here. You want this or 3 times? I have a 6 for the MK14. Here, come here.
I only got a
I'll
level 1. I only got a level 1 helmet.
I got a level 3, but there's level 2 right here.
I have level 2.
keep hearing too many footsteps.
It's us. Oh.
Form up on me.
Hey, don't shoot my car. What you doing, Kinsey? Why the heck did
Form
y'all
up
jump
on
out
me.
for? Well, oh, y'all doing your own thing. Okay, cool. Stop shooting cars, man. What's wrong with y'all?
I got supplies.
You better back up or I think explode. Ooh,
Ow.
killed
Fuck.
him.
What the fuck, Kinsey?
Bro, she always does that every time, bro. Ooh, I gotta catch up. Ooh.
Oh, this is a nice guy.
Yeet.
Oh my gosh, why do I keep getting run over? I don't want to be part of this. Oh, that thing sounds like a beast. And of course the car was stolen. Dang it.
Take me to my loot. I need more ammo.
I need 762 as well. I know y'all can't
Yes,
hear
sir.
it. Wait,
Oh,
can
no,
you-
I didn't want that. I think they are successful. Yes, sir. Wait, what? There's more people shooting right there?
I'm sorry, I had to take
Gotcha.
my 416.
Dang, that person actually did a lot of damage to me. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, I gotta do that one video. Gotta do a video where I give tips and tricks of how to play PUBG really well.
Where the heck the shots go? There was over
One shot.
somewhere. Where are you at?
I love this gun.
Enemies ahead.
It's so quiet. Yes, I can waste ammo
That's
because I have
330 meters. That's outside the zone.
200
Yeah, look in
ammo.
front of us.
I will be playing PUBG a little more until the last day of this month because on the last day of this month I lose my phone because Sprint upped their bill. So
I need to find me like a 2-time scope or something.
Here, come here. I'll give you one.
Form up on me.
Or I'm coming.
Form up on me. Form up on me. Form up on me.
Never mind, I dropped it. He has one.
I'm trying to tell you, get over here. Come on, killer. Oh yeah, I forgot to say who we're here with today. So today we're with Kenzie. We're with Killer Gang 200.
All I gotta do is find a
and
suppressor
we're
for
with
SMG.
CSO.
Yo, I dropped one at the box.
You did?
Yes.
Bro, why you didn't tell me, bro?
I didn't know you needed one.
Where is he?
I dropped the Vector with an extended quick draw mag, and there's a car right there.
Enemies ahead.
I know
I want that ghillie suit.
he almost killed me, she. Does he got like a
If
no,
he
he got
doesn't,
like a right in there for an SMG.
What was he wearing? It looked green. Oh no, he was
Like
wearing
a army outfit or whatever.
Yeah.
Military outfit.
From back there through my scope, it looked like a freaking ghillie suit.
Form up on me. Form up on me.
You know what? I'm just gonna drop it and say hey.
I got supplies.
Nice.
I got supplies.
Why you keep moving me? Okay, there we go. Thank you. Ooh, got level 3 helmet.
Who's?
You said what?
He was probably trying to get your attention to tell you that you had him.
Oh.
Yeah,
Kinsey, why
win
are you
this
always leaving us, Kinsey?
match. We're gonna win this match.
That's what she said. Famous last words.
I think hell yeah.
How did I get
Mr.
another
West
2x? I
85
don't need a
Rosa.
2x.
Who's that shooting? Yeah, I got the 2 times. Bro, walk in here real quick.
Yeah, I don't know how I got all those attachments and stuff. Ooh, ooh. It's about to get fun. I'm gonna mess with him. He's such a butt. I need like a 4x. Why are there only 3s? Gosh darn it. Do I not need that? I don't need that. Oh gosh. Son of a nutcracker. It's my sniper.
I got supplies.
Yeah,
I found a suppressor for a sniper.
You got a sniper suppressor?
Yeah.
Yo, let me get that.
Alright, I'll bring it to you.
I'll give you an AR suppressor.
Alright.
I figured you might be able to use that instead of the sniper. Wait a second. Actually, just got a sniper suppressor.
Seems legit.
But no, here, I'll still give you this AR.
I got supplies.
Oh gosh, dang it.
I still have a regular mag. Oh.
So yo, I was running some solos earlier today, and I got 10 kills in one match. It was me versus the last guy. He was prone,
Yo,
facing the other way from
I got a
me.
ghillie
He was
suit.
scoping somewhere, and so I said, hey, why don't I get a nade and throw it at him? So I pull out a nade, I throw it at him, it misses a little, but then I try to pull out my gun, and my person on PUBG just keeps on throwing grenades, and I'm like, what is happening? So then one of them bounces off a fence and kills me, and the other guy did absolutely nothing, and I checked his results and he had 0 kills. And I had also run
that
like
dude's
4
not coming
people
to
over with a
the
car.
rescue.
Like someone was at a crate and I smashed straight into it. It was awesome. I wish I got it on video, but I couldn't because I was at school. So, yeah.
Oh heck yeah!
Yo, come on.
I'm right behind you. See, the thing is, you get to hide in the grass, but the thing is, you can't hide in the snow. Oh dang, bro, we're right in the middle of the map too. Oh, I see him. He's running on top of the road. He's running. I'm saying, hold on. He can't be by himself. Oh, there's a Jeep over there too.
He's not. I saw two of them.
Oh, why are they facing? Okay, good, they're facing away.
Oh, he's right there. Nice.
Oh, also, my team almost beat a world record in PUBG. We beast moded
Oh, I did
out
those grenades though. And another AR.
33 kills. It was awesome. Guess I'm gonna wanna have the higher powered scope on that. Oh, yeah, I need that too.
So, hold up. Grab that. You see somebody? Oh, you killed him. Oh shit.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You damn right it is.
Guess
Hey,
I
you
just
might
got
want to get
hit.
your health back
Guess
up,
I just
number
got
one,
hit.
just in case.
No, fuck yes, baby.
I'm getting shot!
Who's the fucking man?
I don't know
What,
why
you
I
got your
keep showing my
AWM?
mic
You
up.
got darn right. That
Oh,
means everybody's fucked.
Oh shit, I like that color too, bro. That shit go hard. I don't see nobody.
Man.
Hold on, I gotta make sure there's like nobody here. I don't see nobody, so.
no way.
Oh, never mind. You saw some. I was like, wait, there's like probably like nobody in here. And all of a sudden you knock somebody out that quick. Dang, how many people you knocking out?
Help! I'm getting shot! Help!
Oh, they're down here. Listen. Kenzie.
Help!
You're too far away from us. Oh shit.
Thanks.
Hold on, we got footsteps coming, bro.
Help!
Oh, he was behind the wall. Dummy.
Help!
Kenzie, I'm coming.
I'm dead. You need to come help Shadow.
Shadow, I'm coming.
We're coming, Shadow, bro. Just stay alert, bro.
Excellent
We've
work.
got like a whole squad on him.
No, I just
Where's
killed
me the whole squad?
I just killed 4 people.
It's three against three.
They don't fuck. I'm telling you, they don't want none.
We're saying, hold up. We're saying, hold up. They could be by the airdrop, bro. I don't see anybody. See anybody? Ooh, someone's shooting. Hold up, Shadow. We're coming, bro.
Enemies
Hold up,
ahead.
my nigga. Hold up, my nigga. We got you. We ain't gonna let you die, nigga. We're not gonna let you die. So are they all over here?
Got him.
Hold up, Shadow. Hey, there's some more AWM ammo in here. Number 1, if you want it. I'll probably bring it to you. Hold up. Got some more I got some more AWM ammo, bro. If you need it, I picked it up for you.
Help!
Thank you.
Shadows, like somebody like in that house with you. I'm shooting the door off. I see somebody run where. Oh, he's behind the wall where a shadow is, but on the other side of you. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. I'm throwing a grenade over there.
Where?
Northeast. I threw a grenade. Right? Listen, go out. There we go.
Son of a nut.
I was trying to throw a grenade. I was trying to kill 2 of them.
Yeah, you about fucking knocked me.
It's my bad, bro.
Couldn't be worse than me knocking
won?
myself practically.
Yeah.
there.
Yes. People.
Oh, Jesus.
I told you all I do is
Alright, guys. Well, that concludes this episode, or match game video.
I told you I went off as soon as I got that sniper.
So, alright, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below on what you thought about the video. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. Wolf out.